Hey, what's up? It's Clayton J and Stella. We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, right? It's Stella's birthday today. Right, Stella? It's her birthday today. She's gonna be 1 year old. She's a big girl. And we're gonna do something fun for her. Right now, Raul literally just left to go to his, I think he's job shadowing. I think that's what it's called. He's job shadowing a vet place with horses and stuff. And I have to go to work. I'm probably late too. I gotta go to my job. So Stella's gonna have to be in the crate for a bit. But when we come back, we're gonna have a birthday party. We did invite Allison, Brian, Polo, and Molly to her birthday party. We'll see what happens because we're gonna go to the Stella crate. She's trying to fight me. Crate. We were gonna go to the park and all that, but it is raining, so don't know exactly what we're gonna do. But we're gonna have a birthday party for you. Get you a cake and everything. So we'll see you guys when I get off work. Hey guys.
Hello.
Yeah. Well, no, I've already made an intro.
Oh, okay.
We're at Jimmy John's. We're getting some food and getting some chips. I'm actually on my lunch break. I took like a 2-hour lunch break.
3.
We went. Well, I got this the other day, but I got a lot of presents because today is Stella's birthday and tomorrow is Raul's birthday. So Allison came with me on my lunch break, my 3-hour lunch break, to go get some stuff. We paid my car bill or whatever, my car insurance. We're eating now. We got Stella's cake in the back.
Sugar daddy.
I am, yes. We got Stella's cake in the back.
Sorry, he's making a YouTube video.
Yeah, I'm in the middle of a YouTube video.
Huh?
I mean, yeah. 3 subscribers. Pretty much only get 3 likes, so the rest of those subscribers are definitely
I do think it's okay to go over the middle.
No, I don't trust that shit. You want to hold it really quick? Be gentle. So we got Jimmy John's, and then I'm actually going to, we're going to go to Tyson's really quick to get some more presents for Raul. Because I'm going to go all out. That thing is you either go all out for birthdays or don't fucking have one. Right?
True.
And my thing is, like, we never really took birthdays that seriously, and I feel like you got to take, like, because Raul doesn't want me to go all out. He doesn't want me to buy him anything, but like, it's too late. I fucking bought you everything, and I want to do that. And for Stella too, you know, we got to do it good because Polo and Molly are coming over for Stella's birthday. Alice and Brian will be over. I think we're gonna go to a park because it's nice enough for a park, right? Mm-hmm. We got the cake. We got some presents. What else? We went to Baumgart's. We got a present for Raul. We need to get a present for Stella. Because Stella doesn't really play that often. Like, she has that one special toy she loves. But other than that, she doesn't touch. She has like 100 toys. She only plays with one. So I don't know what to get her. Maybe I'll just get her like a treat or something. Mm-hmm. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah. We're going to go to Tyson's now, get some more shit. And then Allison's going to drop me off at work. She's going to take my car because she's putting everything in her fridge. And then we'll just... I literally get off in like 2 hours if I ever go back to work. And then we'll just hang out around 5 o'clock, 5, 6. We'll have a birthday party. So yeah. We are at Tyson's now. We're gonna give Stella a birthday present. We got this little wiener thing.
I picked it out.
And then we got some Carhartt stuff for Raul. Since Raul.
No, it's like Paul, but Raul.
Raul. That's what I called him when I first met him. And I saw his name. I'm like, is it Raul? Raul? I did not say his name right for the first like month I knew him. Yeah, look at me. Hey. We got it for the hillbilly man. We got some hillbilly stuff. So yeah.
But we can't show you.
Well, maybe we'll see. Because his birthday's tomorrow. I don't know if I'll post this yet or not. Today is April 3rd. Yeah.
Yep.
And it's Stella's birthday.
It's Stella's birthday. Make
and
sure
we're
we
gonna
know
have a birthday
that.
party. Yes.
Oh, he's still going.
Yeah. Oh. Look at her.
I know. I feel embarrassed for you.
Oh. Hanging out with my crew. What's up, guys? Somehow I got stuck in the backseat of my own fucking car.
I do be like that sometimes.
Always third wheeling. We got presents wrapped up. What the hell is this one? I think I can guess what this one is.
Sorry, I dropped it.
But this is oh wait. What the hell is this present? Why does it look like this? I think I know what it is. Is this the one shirt?
It's a hat.
This is not the hat. This hat is broken. This is not a hat. Oh, I guess that's the hat. Oh, yes. Yes, queen. Slay.
On my first
Pride was yesterday.
I worked 8 hours and 18 minutes.
Ellison just bought us drinks. Oh my god, you're literally making a mess of my own car.
Wait,
Awkward.
is that more than LOF? How many hours?
So this is what I got. When I go to Starbucks, I usually get the peanut butter cup blender, but I'm trying to get out. What?
We're at Scooters.
Oh, I never go to Starbucks. Scooters.
Not a Starby? That's better.
I got a strawberry lemonade.
Excessive peanut butter. They're radiant.
It's okay.
Ooh, that looks good. I made it right. Does this go back?
Yes, it does. Tell her if she wants to be on
What?
cam.
This better be like divine.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
You as
yes.
well.
We made it over to Ellison's house. We were gonna do it outside, but it's dark out. You can tell because Rebel takes forever. Homework. I gotta do homework. Who does homework nowadays? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What? You high again? We're all just chilling. We got Polo. Polo, come here. Polo. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Hey. Oh, go hang out with your girlfriend. Stella and Polo are dating. Go hang out with your boyfriend, Stella. Stella! Yeah, and then Molly's hiding underneath the bed because Molly hates Stella. Oh. Molly, come here. Come here, Molly. Come here, Molly. Molly, come here. Molly's like, fuck everyone here. We got, what is it? Where did we go? Where did we go again? We went to Bar La Toca. Bella Teca. Bar La Toca. And this is our foods. And then we got the birthday cake in the fridge. This is the birthday cake. We got the ice cream in the freezer. Right there. And then we got her toy. Right there. Here,
Oh, you don't want this,
here,
Stella.
sit.
That's okay.
Sit. Here, have your present.
Here.
Get it, Stella. Oh, that's it. Yeah.
We can always play
Yeah.
a computer game again later.
Yeah.
We should do that. You guys.
You probably already played it before. There's no
What?
way you have it.
Hey, you understand I'm recording.
Your ass.
You're like, oh, I already know.
Oh my god, what's it called? Have you played Jackbox?
I don't know.
You can play it from your phone.
Maybe.
Wait,
Or
we
trivia
can
party.
Maybe. But let's play it.
What can we eat though?
Yes.
This
Because
mine?
Rebel's hungry over here. I need to help my man out.
Your mom's a pussy. Oh, go here. Go with the mom jokes again. Hey, Stella, give me back my toy.
It's Stella's toy.
I know, but I wanna.
Hold on. Okay, I didn't even realize you were there. You need to stop.
Sit.
Why isn't the TV
Sit. Here you go. Yeah.
I got through everything.
Look at her and her new toy.
Tap that.
I'm glad. Oh! It's her birthday. She can do what she wants.
You need to get that on camera.
Yes, I got that on camera.
Stella, what the fuck?
Just about 40 seconds.
Oh, it got you. It has you.
Alright guys, we're cutting the cake now. What game were we playing? We were playing Jackbox TV. That's actually pretty fun. So that's what we were doing. Now we're gonna eat some cake and ice cream. Get the ice cream out. And then get us some bowls and shit, or plates.
Hey, you're gonna bring that lunchbox tomorrow, and I'm gonna pack it with random shit. Hey. So yeah. Will you guys eat these?
No.
Okay. Okay.
I don't like that kind.
Will you take these back? Ow! Wait, that hurts. That hurts.
No counter sticks?
Not on the corner. It was on my ass. It hurt.
That's like training.
Training for anal.
What?
Yeah, anal training with the counter.
Wait, did my mom have?
Can you get the dog?
Oh, it has a pill container too.
Okay, wait. Can you stream that because I'm eating a lot right now.
I know the dog did eat first. Molly, Polo, come here. Come here, guys. Molly, here, eat this one. Stella got that one. Birthday girl ran away. Oh.
Naughty girl, Stella.
Yes, it's your birthday, but you can't be doing this shit to us.